Having wrinkles is absolutely no crime, it's actually quite the opposite. Especially for us ladies, we think we need to look like this when we are 50 or 60. While I do have a lot of videos against wrinkles, I am not anti-aging and I'm not anti-wrinkles. I'm in my 30s and I want to look the best at any age. And I think wrinkles are part of that. But you can have beautiful wrinkles and less beautiful wrinkles. You can just literally see what kind of person you were throughout your life. So if you have smile wrinkles or little crow's feet here, that's absolutely great. We should embrace that and actually be really grateful for having the ability to age and experience life to the fullest. So with all you can face yoga, I'm really not against wrinkles. Please keep that in mind. I actually want to help people to become the best version of themselves in any age. And that's why I conceptualized my program at allyoucanface.com, because you learn how to move your face in the right way, how to control your communication, get rid of headaches. And this has everything to do with face yoga. So try it out and let me know.